Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is delete the middle node of a linked list. Okay, so let's say you have given one linked list like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now what is the middle? Middle is 3, 1, so you need to remove this. Okay, so basically what we need to do, we just need to find the middle element, and then we need to change this link to this, right? And need to delete 3. So how we can achieve that? Using fast pointer and slow pointer, we will find the middle element of the linked list. Okay, so see, this is your head. Okay, initially your fast pointer will point to head, slow pointer will point to head. Okay, and slow pointer will move from 1x speed, fast pointer will move from 2x speed. Okay, so here we will do one thing. See, first we will check fast is not equal to null and fast next is not equal to null. So what we will do, previous equal to slow, so now this one will become previous. Okay, slow equal to slow ka next, slow will become this, and fast equal to fast ka next ka next, so fast will become this. Okay, again this is the while condition, so fast is not equal to null, fast next is also not equal to 1. Okay, so again previous equal to slow. Okay, now this one is not there, so previous equal to slow, slow equal to slow ka next. Okay, and then fast equal to fast ka next, so fast will become this. Now fast ka next is equal to null right now, so whatever you have here in on slow, that is the middle element. Okay, now what you need to do, simple, just make previous ka next is equal to slow ka next, that's it. Okay, so this is what we are doing, and then return head. That's it. Thank you.